So if you're looking for photography equipment, definitely recommend the SMALLRIG. It's a sturdy bit of kit, fully metal. All of the heads on it are Phillips, so you know it's good quality straight away. But you get 9 in 1, so you get the Allen keys here, you get the different heads here too as well. So that's why I really like it. Super simple to carry about. To show you, it's about that in the size of my hand. Very small, not heavy at all. And the good thing about it that I really like is feels super sturdy. So what I mean is it's a good thick metal, but it doesn't overpower it with being too heavy either. So just to show you each individual tool, there's that one. I'm not going to pretend I know every single name, but here is the Starhead screwdriver. Here is the other screwdriver, and here is the smaller one too. You've then got the Allen keys, which I can tell you is 316, 4mm, 3. So you've got a good amount of kit there that should get you by in the day to day as you go on. I really like this. I use this quite often because I do a lot of videos. I do a lot of photography at home. And this has been a lifesaver whenever I'm setting up kit. So I definitely recommend go and enjoy.